oh my gosh, the possibilities are endless, and the chunks now look, I stirred it all up, but it looks really good. And nobody can tell that they're from the can, the jar. The raw packed chicken makes the best chicken salad ever. And again, nobody knows that they're canned chicken. Tastes better than chicken you would buy at the store, and it's much cheaper. You buy the chicken on sale. Really good. If you haven't canned chicken, if you haven't canned meat, if you have a pressure canner, please try to can your meat. It is so good. This is our canned pork. I use in sandwiches, pulled pork, and also in soups and stews. And I do canned hot dogs. If you haven't tried hot dogs, I'm going to be doing a video on that. A lot of people don't do hot dogs. These are fabulous. We take these on picnics. They taste like barbecued hot dogs. They are wonderful. Very, very easy to do. This is turkey breakfast sausage. Yes, they taste good. If you haven't tried them, they're really good. The pork breakfast sausage tastes just as good. They're not bad at all. They're good for camping. I can my own pickled garlic. I don't know how many other people do that, but this is something that I do. They look beautiful. They taste beautiful. I love pickled garlic. This is my chicken broth. This is a bone broth. This is so good. Learned this from Linda's Pantry also. Learned a lot from her.